Coming up this weekend on Osiyo, Voices of the Cherokee People. Strawberries. How a Cherokee farmer connects the roots of the berry and his heritage.
I see the earth as life. We got to take care of what takes care of us.
And we go back to the roots of the famous Stillwell Strawberry Festival and learn the Cherokee origin story that makes it the fruit of reconciliation. Plus the rootsy red dirt music of Cherokee songstress Monica Taylor.
There's a table set for two, the window above that diner down in Burwood High School.
And she's addicted to quilting. Meet Betty Kirk, a Cherokee grandmother with a sewing habit and a will to teach the Cherokee language.
A, E, O, U,
I'm Jennifer Lauren. Join me and discover the untold stories of the Cherokee people.
Check Osiyo.tv for showtimes in your area.